Okay, welcome back to this channel. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe to this channel, please make sure you do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button. Like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So this week we will be looking at CAD JPY. So let's start with the trend. We all know before you actually take a trade, you would want to know the trend, and we can clearly see that this is clearly a downtrend move. Price is trading below the 10 period simple moving average, also trading below our 20 period simple moving average. The 20 period is the green, by the way, while the 10 is the red. So we all know that once price is trading below this moving average, definitely that is a downtrend move. All what you would want to do is look for an entry point to go ahead and sell, right? So this movement of CAD JPY, I will be expecting that movement to drop to a level of 92. Currently, CAD JPY is trading at 95.119. I'll be expecting a drop to a level of 92.600. So that is what I'll be watching out for. So a level of 92, that is what I'm watching out for. Now let's go to the daily time frame. You can see that there's kind of like a multiple rejection downward there. So let's see if CAD JPY will give us a correction to that level of 96. Once we get a correction to a level of 96, probably tapping our 10 period simple moving average, I expect a drop. As you can see, a correction was made here, which was very close to our moving average. We see a correction that came to tap our moving average. So I personally will be expecting same correction. By that time, this moving average, which is the 10 period moving average, should drop a bit. You should be able to tap. Once it tap it, what next do we expect? We expect a drop. So I think in 2 weeks' time, if I'm not wrong, because from here to this level that I'm watching out for, this is about 250 pips. Let's see if this week we'll be able to achieve that level. So I will be expecting CAD JPY to literally drop. This week we'll be expecting a bearish move. That is what I will be watching out for. Now I'm going to be putting a link to the Patreon channel, which I'm going to put in the comment section. If in case you're actually having trouble in growing up your accounts, you are blowing up your accounts, right? I'm going to put a link to the Patreon channel. It will be in the comment section. Give it a try, sign up, right? Give it a try for just a month. You are going to get high probability trade that will have 70 to 90% chance of winning. You are going to get that trade in the Patreon channel. So once you sign up, you'll be able to get access to those trade, right? And most of the trade are actually indices, by the way. So basically, high probability trade. It is a winning trade that you are going to get there. So check the channel. The link is in the comment section.